Welcome to Crash Cases, where motion meets mistake and every second counts. Real footage. Real lessons. We're not here to shock you, we're here to wake you up. Because safety isn't luck, it's awareness. Watch closely. Learn fast. The next turn might test you. A car burst through a vet clinic wall, hurling the manager across the room. Miraculously, no one was hurt. Distraction behind the wheel can destroy lives in seconds. Seconds from tragedy, Officer Stewart dragged his partner away as the car stormed through the barrier. Quick thinking drew the line between life and loss. Driving calmly on the highway, the driver was caught off guard when a parked car suddenly made an illegal U-turn. One reckless move can end safe journeys. Signal and think first. An elderly driver ran a red light and hit another car, claiming it was yellow. The camera says otherwise. Truth aside, never gamble with signals. Safety isn't luck. Out of control, a car slammed into several vehicles in Los Angeles before bursting into flames. A tragic reminder that speed and carelessness destroy lives. Drive to live. Dashcam captured a truck driver recklessly overtaking at a crosswalk, ignoring a stopped vehicle yielding to pedestrians. Respect the stripes. Patience protects lives. The driver tried to reverse but went forward instead, plunging off a 5-story parking deck. Always stay calm and check your gear before moving. A speeding driver crashed into a tractor sliding underneath its high frame. Luckily, no one was hurt. Slow down. Speed never saves it, only risks lives. A severe collision between two heavy trucks on a U.S. highway caused major damage. Extreme caution is vital. Keep distance, stay alert, and drive safely. It's unthinkable, a plane striking near your car in a quiet neighborhood. Stay calm, stay alert. Safety is never guaranteed, only protected. Speeding through a snowy intersection isn't bravery, it's risk. Control fades fast on icy roads. Slow down and respect the limits of safety. The 18-year-old driver recklessly overtook two public vehicles. One mistake could have been disastrous. Luck saved him this time, but next time choose patience. A loose tire from a Chevrolet sent a Kia Soul flying into the air, a shocking moment on the highway. Always check your vehicle. Small faults cause big disasters. The crash near exit 118 on I-85 left passengers seriously injured, one ejected, others hospitalized. Highways aren't forgiving. Buckle up and drive with full focus. Every clip tells a story of what one moment can do. A glance away, a wrong choice, a heartbeat too late. Remember, the road never forgives distraction. Drive smart, stay ready, respect the limits before they teach you. This is Crash Cases, where awareness saves lives. If this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe.